Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change the leverage on your MetaTrader 5 account. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open your PC and go to MetaTrader 5. Note that once you have created your account, you will not find any option to change leverage on your MetaTrader 5 account. So what you can do is create new account within MetaTrader 5, which is best solution. So let's see how we can do this. After you open MetaTrader 5, you can see Accounts on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and right-click on it and click on Open Account. Go ahead and click on Next, and then open a demo account. Go ahead and click Next again, and you can see Leverage over here. So you can virtual credit funds to be provided by the broker for trading. This is what leverage means. You can click on the drop-down menu, and you can see the leverage. After writing your first name, last name, email address, and phone number, go ahead and set these up. Click I agree with the terms and conditions. You can select or change your leverage quite easily. After you're done, go ahead and click Next, and then you can create a demo account and your leverage will be changed. So that's basically how you can change the leverage on your MetaTrader 5 account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.